Windows collects more information than most people realize. These 5 privacy settings only take a few minutes to change. Let's start with the first one. The first setting is Advertising ID. Windows uses this to personalize ads based on how you use your device. Open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Then click Recommendations and Offers. Turn off Advertising ID. This won't remove ads completely, but it stops apps from using your advertising ID to personalize them. Next, let's review your location permissions. Some apps don't need to know your location. Go back to Privacy and Security. Click Location. Review the apps that have access to your location. Turn off any app that doesn't need it. This helps protect your privacy and can reduce unnecessary background activity. The next setting is Camera Permissions. Most people never check which apps can use their camera. Go back to Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Review the list of apps. Turn off camera access for apps you don't trust or don't use. Only keep it enabled for apps that actually need it. The next setting is just as important. It's your microphone permissions. Some apps can access your microphone even when you don't use them. Go back to Privacy and Security. Click Microphone. Review which apps have microphone access. Turn off any app that doesn't need it. Only keep microphone access enabled for apps you trust and use regularly. This helps protect your privacy and gives you more control over which apps can listen through your microphone. And finally, let's reduce the amount of diagnostic data Windows sends to Microsoft. Windows collects some information to improve its services, but you can limit the optional data that's shared. Go back to Privacy and Security. Click Diagnostics and Feedback. Under Send Optional Diagnostic Data, turn it off. This limits the amount of optional data Windows sends to Microsoft. Your PC will continue to work normally, but you'll share less diagnostic information. Those are 5 Windows privacy settings you should change. These small changes can help protect your privacy and give you more control over your Windows PC. Which setting did you change first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.